Hello everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing weekend. Currently it is Sunday and let's get right into the charts, as we do have some very important things to cover for Bitcoin. Starting out on the lower time frames, you can see right here, right now Bitcoin is trading below that daily open level. We are currently bouncing from the daily support one after rejecting right here. You can see from almost Bitcoin went basically almost to $71,000, and since then we are down around 3%. You can see this was at the beginning of the day. We were trading right around here, and as you can see, Bitcoin failed to push higher. We failed to go to that Monday high, and right now we are down around 3%. Now, could Bitcoin continue this trend up? If we look at the 4 hourly, you can see right here we are right now kind of in between that range. If we draw our volume profile, you can see right here we are right now, as of right now, basically bouncing from that POC. So basically this is the middle of the range. We are failing, did fail to basically test the value area high of the range, which is around 71.4k. And if eventually we see a breakout of this high, we could see Bitcoin go all the way up to the weekly R1, or at least the monthly open, which is even a hard target. You can see at around 78.6k. It's gonna be a very interesting target if we break out to the upside, around 14% of a move. And if we measure from the bottom right here, 60k, this will be like 31% move to the upside for Bitcoin, which is going to be quite a lot, since basically if we go right here on our daily time frame, the whole move from back when Bitcoin dropped sharply to 80k all the way up towards 98, 97k, we only saw a move of around 21%, and basically those 21% are going to take us right around 72, 73k max target. But I do think that potentially Bitcoin could go even higher, so that 30% correction could happen eventually. We want to see the daily EMAs. Basically, if we start ranging right here, daily EMAs are going to get closer and closer towards this target, and then eventually Bitcoin will go up and test those EMAs. This is my outlook for Bitcoin right now. For Ethereum, you can see Ethereum is still struggling at this low right here. Basically the low from 2025, the summer range that we had right here. It is the price action, you can see trading below this level. It is basically a support into resistance flip. You can see right here it was acting as support, so basically price was trading above this level. It acted as support right here, and right now, since we went down, got that bearish retest right here, this has turned into support into resistance flip. And until we see another breakthrough to reclaim this level as support, or if we see a bigger bear flag form right here to get a rejection, then this could be turning into very strong resistance in the future. Other than that, if we look at Solana, Solana is bouncing perfectly from this level that we have right here, this historic order block from the lows from back in 2022. Any lower than this is basically bear market territory for Solana. Hype still trading above $30, which is pretty insane if you ask me. So we have the most strong altcoin in the market as of right now is basically Hype, as you know, the Hyperliquid exchange. Their token is doing absolutely performing the best from all the other altcoins. If we look at Sui is trading below $1. So basically not much happening right here. You can see we are right now trading around basically the lows right here. If we go on a hard time frame and we draw a order block from potentially right here, you can see we are basically into the most important support level. If we lose that, I don't know, we could go to like back to right here when the price was like only 39 cents. That would be another 57% towards the downside. I don't think this could happen, but as you know, anything is possible. XRP also trading right here at a very important level. Anything lower than that and we are back in right here in bear market territory. The pump token, same thing here. Stock market is currently closed right now since it is the weekend, but it is looking also potentially very bearish, at least for right now, since we broke down from the 50 EMA that we had right here riding all the way, and if we don't manage to hold that 100 EMA, then potentially we could revisit the lows right here. If this supports fail, we're gonna get like another 4 points or 4% correction for the S&P 500. You can see right here those candles are not looking the best, but still it could be another fake out towards the downside. The dollar is also potentially looking like it wants to go down and retest this low right here that we have again. And of course, this is gonna help Bitcoin to basically get that higher relief that it wants. Open interest as of right now, we don't have that much going on. You can see right here, we are trading below VWAP for right now. And we do have some volume, but other than that, it is pretty low, as you can see. We could get another push higher to like 71.3k, since we do have some liquidity stacked right around this level. Fear and Greed Index is right now at 13. Spot ETFs, we have nothing new here since it is the weekend. Long versus shorts, the bias right now is pretty neutral. As you can see, we basically have same amount of shorts and same amount of longs, so pretty neutral bias, as I said. Overall on of these major exchanges, funding rates are right now positive on most of the exchanges. Right here only on Binance we have negative funding, and other than that, I do think this would cover it for today, guys. Hope you like this quick Sunday update video, and I'll see you again once the new trading week begins. Bye.